Restoring information from Microsoft Teams or SharePoint groups will all be listed here underneath your account domain. After expanding, you'll see that there'll be multiple folders and files that you may have access to in order to restore data from. These will coincide with whatever access that you already have within your organization's SharePoint sites. It is possible that you may find no data in here at all. If this is the case, you may have a shared tenant, and this data may be backed up under a separate tenant that you do not have access to. If you do need to restore data from Microsoft Teams or SharePoint groups, and you do not see any data listed underneath groups and teams for your account, simply contact your IT department or open a ticket at My Portal for someone here at Fluid Networks to take a look and get that content restored for you.
For more helpful information and videos, please visit www.visible-it.com.